Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Volkswagen Tiguan, stock reference number 5213. This shape runs from the 5th month 2008 through to the 6th month 2011. It has a CCZA 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. CCZA 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, bonnet appears to have no damage, left front door has 2 small dents, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, left rear door has 1 small dent, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate has 1 small dent, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, tiny little rip on the center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass and sunroof holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.